Welcome to our Tips and Tricks tutorial for using CoughPro effectively. In this tutorial, we'll address some common issues that can interfere with the app's ability to track your coughs accurately. By following these tips, you'll be able to optimize your experience with CoughPro. Let's get started. Tip 1. Avoid high levels of background noise. Environments with light or minimal background noise make for the most accurate cough tracking. Substantial background noise can interfere with the app's ability to detect coughs effectively. Additionally, try to position your phone within arm's length from your mouth while in a space with some background sound. Tip 2. Avoid closing the app. CoughPro needs to be open in order to track your coughs. While you don't need to keep the app on your front screen, completely closing the app will stop the tracking. So be mindful not to close the app accidentally to ensure uninterrupted tracking. Tip 3. Check for other apps using the microphone. Please note that only one application can use the microphone on your phone at a time. If another app is using the microphone, it may cause CoughPro to stop tracking. For instance, if you receive a phone call while CoughPro is running, the app will pause tracking. To resolve this, manually restart the tracking after ending the call by pressing the pulsing logo. Congratulations! You have now learned some valuable tips and tricks for optimizing your cough tracking experience with CoughPro. If you have any further questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our technical support team by clicking on the technical support link under the account menu.